Campanula Portenschlagiana vs. Portenschlagiana. I've grown both Campanula Portenschlagiana and Campanula Portenschlagiana, and I found Portenschlagiana to be a bit more compact and tidy, making it a great choice for hanging baskets. In contrast, Portenschlagiana spreads out more and has a sprawling habit, which worked well as a ground cover in my garden. Portenschlagiana's deeper blue flowers really stood out against the greenery, while Portenschlagiana offered a lighter, more delicate hue that brightened up shaded areas. I appreciated how both were relatively low maintenance, but Portenschlagiana did seem to be a bit more vigorous and spread quickly. See more 459 species in genus Campanula, bellflowers at monsteraholic.com. Is Campanula Portenschlagiana invasive? Campanula Portenschlagiana, also known as Dalmatian bellflower, is a charming addition to any garden. In my experience, I haven't found it to be invasive, but it's always wise to keep an eye on it, especially if you have a smaller garden or are planting it near other delicate species. How to care for Campanula Portenschlagiana? As for caring for it, I've found that it thrives in well-draining soil and prefers a sunny to partially shaded spot. Regular watering is essential, especially during dry spells, but be careful not to overwater as it can lead to root rot. How to deadhead Campanula Portenschlagiana? Deadheading Campanula Portenschlagiana is a simple task that can help promote continuous blooming throughout the season. Whenever I notice spent flowers, I gently pinch them off at the base using my fingers or small pruning shears. This encourages the plant to redirect its energy into producing new blooms rather than setting seeds, keeping it looking fresh and vibrant. How to prune Campanula Portenschlagiana? Pruning Campanula Portenschlagiana is something I approach with a light hand. Typically, I'll trim back any leggy or overgrown stems in early spring to encourage bushier growth and maintain its shape. I avoid heavy pruning, as this can potentially weaken the plant or inhibit flowering. It's all about finding a balance between tidying up the plant and allowing it to flourish. Where to buy Campanula Portenschlagiana? When it comes to buying Campanula Portenschlagiana, I prefer to visit local nurseries or garden centers. This way, I can inspect the plants in person and choose the healthiest specimens. However, if I can't find it locally, I've had success ordering online from reputable plant retailers or specialty nurseries. How often should you water a white Campanula Portenschlagiana? As for watering a white Campanula Portenschlagiana, I follow a simple rule of thumb: I water it when the top inch of soil feels dry to the touch. This usually translates to about once or twice a week, depending on weather conditions and soil moisture. Consistency is key, especially during the growing season when the plant is actively producing flowers. How to propagate Campanula Portenschlagiana? Propagating Campanula Portenschlagiana is relatively easy, and I've had success using both division and stem cuttings. In early spring or fall, I carefully dig up established plants and separate them into smaller clumps, making sure each division has a healthy root system. Alternatively, I take stem cuttings from healthy plants, strip off the lower leaves, and plant them in moist potting soil. Is Campanula Portenschlagiana edible? While I haven't personally tried eating Campanula Portenschlagiana, I wouldn't recommend it. It's not listed as edible in any of the resources I've consulted, and there's limited information available about its culinary use. Plus, with so many other delicious and well-known edible plants out there, I prefer not to take any chances with potentially toxic species. Is Campanula Portenschlagiana poisonous to cats? As a cat owner, I understand the importance of ensuring the safety of our furry friends around plants. From my research and personal experience, Campanula Portenschlagiana isn't listed as toxic to cats. However, it's always a good idea to monitor your pets around any new plants and consult with a veterinarian if you have any concerns. When to plant Campanula Portenschlagiana? When planting Campanula Portenschlagiana, I aim for either early spring or early fall, as these are generally the best times for establishing new plants. I prepare the soil by loosening it and incorporating some compost or organic matter to improve drainage and fertility. Then, I dig a hole slightly larger than the plant's root ball, place the plant in the hole, and backfill with soil, gently pressing down to eliminate air pockets. Where to plant Campanula Portenschlagiana? Choosing the right location to plant Campanula Portenschlagiana is crucial for its success. I look for spots in my garden that receive plenty of sunlight, ideally in the morning with some afternoon shade to protect it from intense heat. Additionally, I make sure the soil is well draining to prevent waterlogging, as this can lead to root rot and other issues. Overall, I aim to create a favorable environment where the plant can thrive and bring beauty to my garden for years to come.